Serenity is a way of life at this 4-bedroom Garrison Colonial. Its corner lot puts you just moments from the gorgeous Barrington Harbor. The quiet setting welcomes you as you approach the entry and step into the center hall. Warm hardwood floors continue right into the front-to-back living room. An attractive fireplace and windows on 3 sides make it a friendly area to receive guests. A sliding glass door provides walkout access to the railed deck overlooking the velvety lawn and swaying trees. Step back inside through a glass door and into the recently updated kitchen with a skylighted vaulted ceiling. A lively space for gathering, the oversized wood-top center island lets you chat up friends while prepping a meal. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, subway tile, and stainless steel appliances lend the right look for a modern cooking space. Now move back into the beautifully combined dining area and family room. A brick fireplace and smart built-in cabinetry accentuate the inviting charm, while the dining area's picture window suffuses the space with views of the lush grounds. Steps away, you find a lovely half bath, a sizable mudroom with built-ins, and access to the attached 2-car garage. A handsome study completes the main floor. Segue to the lower level where a finished basement extends your entertaining options. Vibrant hardwood floors continue upstairs in the cozy, tucked-away primary suite. Its private bath offers a stone vanity, a glass-enclosed shower, and luminous skylights. 3 more bedrooms are elevated by cheery natural light from windows on 2 sides. A full tiled bath is the finishing touch to the comfortable sleeping quarters and to this harmonious home. The quaint coastal town of Barrington is known for its relaxed coastal feel. The East Bay bike path lets you explore the state in fresh air. The town center takes care of life's necessities with easy shopping. Enjoy the world-class amenities of the Barrington Yacht Club and the Rhode Island Country Club. This seaside town is 20 minutes from Providence with its award-winning restaurants and must-see cultural events. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Kate Coogan at area code 401-864-6180.